Good morning. It's Monday, October 21st, and it's 5 days after my surgery. It was a rough night last night. My pain level was up the roof. It felt like a bone pain, like stabbing, aching, throbbing, pain. I was able to go to church yesterday. My sister drove me, and even walking, that vibration from walking sends this pain up, like it throbs every time there's a movement or the vibration in the car when we hit like a pothole or something, and even then I feel it release. It was quite bad, and I have taken everything that I could. I really used my scheduled pain meds, which is naproxen, which I don't know if it really helps with that amount of pain and with that kind of pain. And then I also used, as needed, just plain Tylenol in between, and unfortunately I had to really use the OxyContin because I couldn't control it with just those two. I try to avoid the opioid because it makes me feel so nauseated and dizzy and lightheaded. But I didn't have any choice. I want to keep control the pain at a tolerable level. And it was hard to do last night. I have eyes. Like I said, I've been like really planning what to take next. Para lang makontrol, na all the time. And man, that was rough. I was crying at some point because it was so painful. It's like somebody stabbing, your bone. It's a bone pain. It's horrible. I'm gonna see if they would see me today in the surgeon's office, but I actually woke up at about 4:30 today so that I can eat something because I want to be on top of the pain. I'm gonna take medication to keep the pain level. I'm eating my breakfast, and I'm gonna take the pain medication and go back to bed because I know I'm gonna be dizzy. Probably get a couple of hours of sleep again, and then let's see. I just want to control this. It's just really horrible. Last night the pain was so bad, and I'm gonna ice it and just chill today. Pray for me that this pain would go down soon as it heals, because this is just horrible. It's and with the regional block right after, I was very thankful of that because I'm sure it probably will be triple the level of pain just right after surgery. So now it is coming back. I can feel everything, and I just want this to be over. I just want this to be a little better, and I don't know what I'm gonna do on Wednesday for therapy if the pain is like this. So I'm hoping that I would be able to control the pain and be able to do the therapy that I need to do without taking any more pain medications. So I'll keep updating all day. Right now I'm gonna take my pain medication and go back to bed.